Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing how much fuel the aircon is using on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap View in the top left. Choose Consumers from the options. Now make sure that your aircon is switched on and you can see how much fuel that it is consuming. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.